wave god in this motherfucker. Hey, shout my nigga Demi Tito.
Song pop like I'm Iggy. All they talking about is last night like I'm Demi. Say you got
It's the Godfather of the Irish Drill Show and my boy Demi TV.
Damn ski pole for Michael Jackson.
Let's see what the chat thinks. Let's see. Cause that nigga Demi was like, I'm king.
Family, nation, welcome to the channel. But this is Sage and a bowl. You feel me? Spiritual Saturday done right. You feel me? With all the tools. Showing you how to raise your vibration and clear your minds, etc. You feel me? Enlighten yourself. That's the vibration. No hesitation. Feel my vibration. Now we about to light the sage. And you know, gonna get that. The with it back. This how you do properly light sage and use sage. You wanna light it. Wanna put it to the max actually. Got one of these lighters. Oh shit. The crackhead lighters that you get from the dollar store, corner store. I'm gonna put that bit all the way to the max. Into it to the part that's already burned a little bit. What you gonna do is walk around the house and basically let the scent, let this cleanse the negative and toxic energy. You feel me? Like this within the rooms and channel it outside. You feel me? And this gonna be showing y'all how to say shit like a guru. You feel me? Matter of fact, come with me with this shit. Walking down the you see that bit burning. Shit smoking. Now I'm in that kitchen. Kitchen. This how you properly sage. If you didn't know, now you know. Hey, about to spray with the parade. Hey, hey. Side the stage. Now we outside, cause with the you gotta let all that negative that you just what you call it? Seduce out your house with positive energy. Now it's coming out your house. You gotta leave your door open, like these or like these. Leave it like this anyway. But let at least have enough so like that negative energy can channel out your house. You feel me? Then come back in like at night. You feel me? Night. You feel me? Simple type shit. Hope this help y'all. And y'all know how to properly sage, you feel me? And things of that nature. Got that sage right here for y'all ass. If y'all ever act stupid, I'ma hit you with that angel dust, you feel me? Pull up with that angel dust. See you looking crispy like this, burning. Gonna have you burning like this sage, you feel me? Play with me, gonna be looking like this sage, you feel me? You gonna looking crispy. Get the D. Okay, Dean family. Hope y'all like that, enjoy that. Check out the merch in the description box below. And this was a spiritual Saturday teaching and learning how to, you feel me? So hope this helped you. You feel me? Yeah. See you next time. I'm out. I'm showing y'all how to make some cat's claw with herbal tea. And this cat's claw. You gonna wanna put in here all your herbs in your teapot. Then flood that thing with water. Add some honey in here. Then we're gonna close the lid right here, like that. Make sure it's all the way still. Then you're gonna put it on your stove, whatever type of stove you got. Put it on medium or high, whatever you want. And here we go. We're gonna come back to it when it's done. That shit. And look at it. Actually, still see a little bit outside the other class. Meow.